to find our keys and to hold them near our heart. Knowing that, sure, we can keep living in ways that don't serve us. We can keep crying out, "Stop! I wasn't talking to you. Stop! That's not what this is supposed to look like or feel like." Or we can begin to give life the light touch, to give ourselves a break, to open up our heart to true power and true strength. Letting the ego do what the ego does, but just watching it. Watching it. And going, "Oh, no, no, no. We're not giving away the keys next time. We're not giving away the keys this time. We're not going to fill more baggage. We're just going to feel it. We're going to feel this right here in this moment. And we're going to move through it without snuggling it or wrapping it around us, without making up a story around it that defines us, without weaving a web for others to crawl through." So we inhale and exhale into this space. I practice letting go of my right to be offended. Not because it's wrong. Not because it's unjustified. But because I deserve to be free of the baggage it brings. I practice non-resistance with the moment. I choose to be at peace with what is. Not because it's enough or it fills the design in my mind that I want. But because when I practice non-resistance, I stop staring at the things that are not working as well according to my mind and ego. And I begin to see the rainbows and the sunshine, the glistening of the rain itself, the beauty of a thunderstorm. I begin to feel the absolute presence of love that has no opposite, that comes in and through and as every present moment, regardless of how it may be meeting my needs or missing the mark. I choose to trust. I choose to trust that everyone is where they need to be, to give people the benefit of the doubt, to take nothing personally. Not because I have to, but because I acknowledge that I don't know everything about everything. And I'm committed to being the space of compassion and love in my world. I give up my right to judge everything. Letting go, knowing that I don't have the whole story to everything. Knowing that we're here to grow all over each other, and on some level of consciousness, we all know that. On some level of consciousness, we remember that we're all in it together. That we're here learning how to be love, even in the midst of the human experience. I breathe into my commitment to be love, to be of the source of my being, not to engage in the illusion that anything can run me from this love. Nothing will keep me from love. I ask for all the support in this mighty universe to help me be aware of these golden keys that are within my heart, to bring to my mind a spiritual practice that pauses my being when I'm about to give away my peace. Instead, I hear a sweet whisper ask, does this bring me peace? Is this way of thinking helpful? Is this demand realistic? Will this create more space in my mind? Does this make room for others to be human? Does this create thoughts and emotions that I desire? Is this moving me forward into love and connection? It's safe to trust the moment. It's safe to remember that I am supported. That I am of love. And here to be light on my feet. At peace with each now moment. I steward the keys. I steward love for myself and all beings. And so it is.